Hi, this is Anderson Schulle with Greenlight Property Management. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough tour of 5009 Monett Street in Haltom City. And this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with about 1,540 square feet approximately. I think it feels bigger and it is bigger than that. You're gonna see it has a lot of space, and it's quite a big house actually. Before we start the tour, and you're gonna be able to see the entire house by the end of this video, I want to show you first the neighborhood. This could be your potential neighbors. So just to give you an idea. We are fairly close to Haltom Road, which is right up front there, and fairly close then going north to I-820 highway. And so let's have a look at the house. So this is the home here. We're entered into the living room, and as you can see, we have already to the left several doors that are somewhat closet. Some of it, I think the first one is a coat closet. In the back there's another closet, and then we have the furnace on the left. Before we start the tour, let me give you a little bit of a floor plan overview. We see that the living room and the kitchen are at the center of the house. To our left, there is a bathroom there, so it's really nice when you're entertaining in the living room. They can basically go to that bathroom, and we have a bedroom that is basically behind the kitchen on a lower level, and then the access to the backyard. We also have to our left here, through another door, the garage, where we have a laundry room, and it's a 2-car garage. One has a garage door opener, the other side does not have a garage door opener. And then to the right is where we go to the other 3 bedrooms. We have 3 bedrooms, 1 hallway bath on the right, and we also have then what is considered basically the master suite. It has the bedroom and the bathroom in it. So we have 3 bedrooms in this house. Let's have a look. This is the kitchen. It does not come with a refrigerator, but it has a gas stove, a dishwasher, and a double sink. Fairly not newer cabinets. And then let's go to the right wing of the house first. So standing here in the hallway, we can basically see that in our front would be the master bedroom. To the left, the hallway bath. Behind me is one of the bedrooms, and here to the right is the second bedroom. Let's look at one of the bedrooms. This is one of the larger bedrooms. You could put in a king-size bed here if you wanted to. It has 2 closets. And then to our right, the other bedroom. This one is a little smaller, not too much smaller. It has a closet as well. And then to our left is the bathroom. So has a garden tub in it. And then we walk into what is considered probably the master bedroom. It is actually a little smaller than the one on the other side. But we do have another bedroom that has pretty much a private bathroom as well. I'm going to show that to you. So we have 2 closets here. One is a little bigger. And one is a little smaller. And then we do have this get in here. We do have this shower, and this is the vanity, the toilet. So this is the second bathroom of the three. Let's go back into the kitchen. And before we go into that wing of the house, I just want to stop again. So here's where we're going to have another bathroom, another bedroom essentially, and then the garage, and in the garage, the laundry room. So let's go inside there. So this is that bedroom. It's huge. It could also function as a second living room. It does have a lot of closet space. Pretty much inside this closet, it looks exactly the same. Then we get into this other bathroom. So essentially you could just use this as a suite as well. And so this is the other bathroom. And then let's go outside. Let's unlock this first. And go outside. So here outside we have a nice patio area. A shed, and then a huge backyard. This is very common here in Haltom City to have a larger yard. And that bedroom here had also actually a access to this area here. I'm just gonna walk quickly to the backyard. That is pretty much a tour of 5009 Monett Street in Haltom City.